Okay, so this is the huge box that it came in. I got this convection oven from Black & Decker. I purchased it from BJ's and it was $60. And it has the five functions, which are convection bake, broiler, a toaster, bagel, or warm up. You can make your food and warm it up. It tells you right here, that's like the convection part, how the fan supposedly circulates around the food to make everything easy. It says convection cooking produces fast, even results by circulating hot air and reducing oven cold spots that a natural oven would have. So it has a glass door, a dual rack position. I've had one of these in the past before and I absolutely loved it. I was able to actually even bake a cake in it and a pie. So it comes with this little tin pan right here. That's your racks. And that's pretty much it. When I had one before, it wasn't by Black & Decker. It was just like an oven. To me, it kind of took like the same amount of time an oven would take. However, my food came out a little bit more even. And if I want to do like small portions and didn't want to do a whole big tray of food, it was much more convenient. So please like, rate, and subscribe. Any questions about this review, let me know. Oh, and lastly, it has a 60-minute timer with the stay on function. Woohoo! Okay, so here's the convection oven. I'm using it now. I just put, to try it out, some chicken strips and fries in there. And it's kind of hot, so I have to be careful as I am videotaping. Alright, so it has the functions on there. You have your temperature, and it goes all the way up to broil. You have your other functions. You have your broil, your toaster. And this button right here is actually the convection button to cook your food convectionally. And then you have your timer. I have mine on 40 minutes. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. It doesn't give you a whole lot of recipe instructions with this, but that's okay. And at the bottom, you just have your regular toaster. So I'm going to see how crispy they come out. This is a healthier alternative than deep frying French fries and or chicken fingers and or fried chicken or anything like that. So I'm going to come back and tell you how it tastes and how everything went. So far, it looks like it's just lights at the top and a little bit of lights at the bottom that's kind of circulating. It states that this is much healthier because it cooks your food more evenly opposed to the oven. So we'll see how true it is. I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It cooked for about 30 minutes and that was a little too long because my fries are a little bit on the dark side. So next time I'll do the chicken fingers first and at the tail end put the fries in. This is the color of the chicken tenders. I'm going to cut the inside to make sure it's done, but I'm sure it is, and show you a picture of the inside of it. So here is the inside of the chicken tenders, and they are cooked to perfection. Took about 30 minutes in total. In my regular oven, it would have taken probably a good hour to cook, and maybe about 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes for my fries. So here you go. Thumbs up for the convection oven. I love them. They're convenient, quick, easy. You do have to clean your tray once you get finished, but if you're smart and put aluminum foil down, you might not have a mess to clean. All right, again, please like, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.